Okay, so welcome everybody to 2022. Happy New Year to you all. Just a quick announcement today. We have a free webinar coming up on January 15th, exclusively for ITPM first timers. So that's Saturday, January 15th, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, New York time, with Jason McDonald and Ben Berg-Green. And the webinar is called The End of the Degenerates. Click the link below the video to get your free ticket if you are an ITPM first timer. And for this webinar, we are restricting it. There's only going to be allowed 200 first timers to ITPM will be allowed on this webinar. So wow, guys, what a crazy few years it's been. The craziness is likely to continue in 2022 outside financial markets, that's for sure. But inside financial markets, last year, 2021, the guys that call themselves the degenerates, they really took a licking in the markets, especially in growth names. So this whole idea of you only live once, YOLO trades, buying short-term or longer-term out-the-money call options and YOLOing into one or two big positions, well, it totally unwound in 2021. All those guys got found out. And the Robin Hood trade for free super trader, that dream also totally unraveled. So this dynamic has been pretty interesting. The global pandemic, unparalleled historic fiscal stimulus, extreme negative real interest rates, and free trading platforms. But as we know, in reality, it's not really free. The market makers are widening the spreads of options prices and aggressively taking the other side. It all created very unique market dynamics that led to millions of retail traders essentially treating the market as a lottery or one big YOLO trade. And what ended up happening, they just chased and followed improbable fantasy narratives, and it unwound. They all got found out, and they all took a real licking and lost a lot of money. So in 2021, this all really unwound very aggressively, and that just left all the retail traders who participated in the nonsense nursing huge losses. So it looks like the era of the degenerate, as they call themselves, is now coming to an end. There's only so much pain these guys can take till they actually realize that they're just doing it all incorrectly. They're doing it all wrong. Now, Jason McDonald and Ben Berg-Green on the webinar on January 15th are going to show participants of the webinar how the degenerates actually got this so wrong. They're going to be showing you a lot of statistics about how and why it's all gone wrong for them. It's a very important learning experience for retail traders, and it's a great way to kick off 2022 by learning all of the mistakes that they made and how you can actually avoid them. So, free webinar, guys, for first timers to ITPM coming up on January 15th. So that's on Saturday, January 15, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, EST, with Jason McDonald and Ben Berg-Green. And remember, we're only going to allow 200 first timers to ITPM on this webinar. So join us, join Ben and Jason on January 15th for the webinar, The End of the Degenerates. Jason and Ben will see you there.